is that your puppy? Give her love. That's sweet, Jake. Oh, love. Can you give her high five? Can you give her high five? High five. Yeah, good boy. Jake. Can you go give Bella a big hug for Mommy? Give Bella a big hug. You don't think so? Can you give Belly a big hug? Go give Bella a big hug for Mommy. That's a good boy. Oh, big hug for Belle. Yay. Yay. Oh, I know. Hi, Belle. Hi. Oh, she's a good dog, isn't she? She's a good girl. Hi, Belle. That's nice. Be gentle. Hi, Belle. Who's on the phone? Who's calling? You better get it. Is it up there? It is. Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, camera?